Hi all, I'm back with a new video. This is Engines tutorial 1 in Node.js category. It guide you about Node.js basic. Let's start. This is agenda about this tutorial. How Node.js going to install, Node.js basic program, how to run Node.js. Okay, we will start. For installing the Node.js, we need to download the Node.js package. We will do now. Open your browser and search Node.js download. This is official Node.js website. Just open the site. You can see here two type of category. One is LTS and another one is current. LTS means long time support category. This is a current category. Let's we go with LTS. Here it is having the multiple platform packages. You have to download your oriented packages. Just download it. Download got completed. Just open the download. Just give next. This is the end user license agreement. I'm giving accept. Mostly we won't read this. Actually, we have to read this. Most of the times it will talk about the licensing part of the particular package. Okay. Here you can specify your installation path. If you needed, you can change it. I'm having the memory in drive C itself. So I am here you can see the npm package. It includes the npm package manager. Also it is adding the path. The path is very important here because if you it automatically added your environment variable there. I'm not checking that checkbox because I don't want to do necessary installations. It got completed. Let's see, check it got installed correctly. For checking that, you can open your command prompt and type node -v. It will return your version of the node install. You can see here our installation version 12.18.2. Yes. Okay, the installation completed. If you are facing any issue, just put a comment in this video. I will help you. Okay, let's we start our program with Node.js. I am using the Visual Code here. Actually, Visual Code is more compatible for me compared than other. Based on your opinion, you can go with anything. I am creating a one file called sample node.js. Actually, Node you can run on JS or TypeScript. But right now I am using the JavaScript file only because if you know already the TypeScript, it will be a little bit easy. If you doesn't know, it will be have to know few things. So I will start with JS itself. I created the file. Just I am creating on console.log. Welcome to the Node world. I just returning. Actually, it automatically I kept in auto save, so it automatically saved to the particular. Then we have to open our terminal. I'm using the Node.js, so I'm using the same terminal here. If you are using any other editor, you can go with your command prompt itself. You can do there also. Just type node and your project file name. Our file name is sample node.js, right? Yes. The node is a keyword to run the compiler. Actually, it is a interpreter. This interpreter will trigger this. The term node is not recognized. Actually, this is because of our node path is not set in environment. Let's check that one. I just open the visual code, restart the visual code. It got appended because while installing itself I opened the visual code. That's the reason I close it again and open it. Now you can see it came. Welcome to the node world. This is what Node.js is running. So here you can do more codes here. For example, I am creating one function. Just the I am keeping add. It is going to have two parameters, maybe a comma b. It going to return, maybe I am console.log a plus b. This is very simple program. Just I am going to, here we declared the function, we have to call it, right? Yes, I am calling this function. I am passing 10 comma 14. Just try it again. I am running there. I am getting the output 24. This is the very beginning of Node.js. This is what we are going to start our Node.js from this IDE. I hope this is enough for the beginning of the Node.js. Let me meet on next video. Thank you. Do follow Be a Best Programmer.